So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-wee! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at what's in my hand. Yeah, a unicorn! Wow, I love unicorns. Yeah, they kind of look like horses, right? But they're magical. Whoa! Do you want to draw a unicorn with me? Yeah, that sounds like fun. All right. First, let's start with the color black. And then let's draw an oval for the head. Whoa! And then, yeah, do you see its mouth and nose? There we go. And a big smile. And let's draw an eye. Whoa! And now let's draw a rectangle for the neck, just like that. And then a big body. So then we can make this unicorn fly later with all of its magic. Whoa! 2 cute ears, half circles, just like that. And then for the legs, unicorns have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! And what's this unicorn missing? Yeah, its horn. Whoa! Whoa! And look at that. Oh, it's coming from the top of its head. Yeah, and are unicorns black and white? Well, some are white, but all unicorns are colorful. Wow! Let's use some colors for the mane and the tail. First, let's take some purple. Whee! Whoa, there we go. Whoa, and then the tail. Wow. Whoa, and then let's take some bright green. Whoa, there we go. Wow, this unicorn is so pretty. Here's some green right there. Ooh, some squiggle lines. Whoa, and then some pink. Whoa, yeah, it's so magical looking. Whoa, I bet it's flying through the sky and noticing that the world below it needs some magic. Here it goes, woohoo! Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we make the horn pink? There we go. How does that look? What a beautiful unicorn! Whoa! If you love drawing with me and had fun drawing this unicorn together and wanted to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!